Starting out this video by taking a look at our weather headlines as we head into the end of this week and into the upcoming weekend. For your day tomorrow, scattered showers and thunderstorms will be likely. It will not be a total washout, but there is definitely going to be a good bit of showers and thunderstorms around as we head into your day tomorrow. Thankfully, for your Thursday and Friday, rain chances will be lower, and the only downside is it gets very, very hot. Just how hot will it get? I'll tell you coming up in just a few minutes. And finally, we are keeping a very close eye on the tropics. We have Invest 93L located in northern Florida, which could become the next named tropical system. Will it become a named tropical system, and will it be any sort of threat to our area whatsoever? I'll tell you everything you need to know coming up in just a few minutes. Your morning commute, we'll take a look at the future radar. There's a small chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm possible across our southwestern half of our viewing area. This particular model wants to support that. I don't know if this will be the exact same case, but we'll keep an eye on the radar trends as we head deeper into your morning and towards your lunch hour. Gradually, as we head towards your lunch hour and into the early afternoon hours, that's when I expect the sea breeze to get going right along our coastline. So this will be where our best chance of rain will be for the first half of your afternoon. Gradually, as we head deeper into your afternoon, the sea breeze will move inland, and it'll take the best chance of rain with it across our PD and Border Belt counties. But you get the general gist. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are likely across our entire viewing area for your day tomorrow. Gradually, as we head deeper into your afternoon and towards your evening hours, we'll lose that daytime heating, and our rain chances will be falling considerably as we head deeper into your evening. Temperature-wise, we'll be in the mid to upper 70s for your morning commute under probably sunny skies. Only a very small chance of rain, but most of you will be staying rain-free. For your lunchtime hour, we're well into the mid to upper 80s under probably sunny skies. The best chance of rain being right along our coastline as that sea breeze begins to develop. And then for your afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms are likely across the entire viewing area. Afternoon highs will be in the upper 80s right along our coastline. Low to mid 90s as we head further inland. And once you factor in all the humidity that will be out there, heat index values will range between 95 to 100 degrees, so very, very hot regardless of any rain we see. And unfortunately, it only gets hotter as we head into your Thursday, Friday, and into the upcoming weekend. High pressure reigning full supreme as we head into the end of this week, forcing a lot of sinking air. And as you go lower into the atmosphere, it gets very, very hot. And that's exactly what is going to be happening. Rain chance wise will be right where we should be at this time of year for our typical summertime rain chances. We're at a 30% chance for your Thursday, Friday, and your Saturday. And then we do have a couple of disturbances moving our way, and that will increase our rain chances slightly as we head into your Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. But we'll be keeping a very close eye on the model trends, and we'll keep you posted as far as our rain chances go heading into next week. But by far, the biggest part of our weather story over the next 7 days is going to be the heat. It is coming back. For all of you inland, for your Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we are well into the mid-90s, just as regular afternoon high temperatures. Factor in the humidity, heat index values will be between 104 to 106, and that's inland. As you head right along our coastline, we do get saved by the sea breeze as far as temperatures go. It's still going to be very, very hot in the upper 80s to around 90. Once you factor in the humidity, 102 to 106. So very, very hot, however you put it. Heat index or heat advisories will definitely be a possibility, but I'll keep you posted on that as we know more information. And speaking of the weekend, here's a look at the forecast for the weekend as a whole. Very, very hot for your Saturday, low to mid 90s, partly sunny skies, a couple of afternoon showers with thunderstorms possible. It won't be a total washout as we head into your Saturday night. Very warm and muggy. Overnight lows falling to the mid to upper 70s under partly cloudy skies. And then as we head into your Sunday, basically the exact same thing, still very warm and humid, low to mid 90s across the entire viewing area. Slightly better rain chance, but you won't notice the difference from Saturday into Sunday. Bottom line, very, very hot this weekend, especially as we head into your early next week. And then let's talk about the tropics. We've got Invest 93L located in northern Florida, just to the south of Jacksonville. It has a 40% chance of becoming a named tropical system over the next 2 to 7 days, and it really is all going to come down to the exact track of where the center of this system goes. If it goes on a more northerly track into either the Florida Panhandle, southwestern Georgia, or eastern Alabama, this will put it away from the fuel of the warm ocean waters of the Gulf, so it wouldn't be allowed to become anything. However, if it takes a more southerly track and either rides right along the Gulf Coast or just south of the Gulf Coast, that would put it in a favorable atmosphere where the waters are warm enough to support tropical development, and then it could become a more organized named tropical system. Regardless of whether it becomes a named tropical system, it'll bring a very rainy week to all of Florida, especially the western coast, and all along the Gulf Coast as well, where multiple inches of rain will be possible. And flash flooding will also be a concern as well. If you are at the beach, please be careful. If you are going to be swimming, rip currents will be stronger and the seas will be rougher. Thankfully, concerning the Carolinas, this is no threat to our viewing area whatsoever. Here's a look at your extended 10-day forecast, proudly brought to you by Hunter Plumbing Services. Very summer-like over the next 7 to 10 days, hot and humid. Afternoon highs climbing into the upper 80s to around 90. Overnight lows falling into the 70s. And as we head further inland, basically the exact same. Very, very hot though. We'll be in the mid-90s every single day. Overnight lows falling into the mid-70s.